In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use our interlibrary loan service to request articles and books. Interlibrary loan can be accessed either through the Services tab or from database search results lists. To access our interlibrary loan portal, you can begin from the library homepage and click on the Services page. That will give you information about our interlibrary loan service, our policies, and other information, as well as a sign-in link to access the service directly. Once you click that link, it will authenticate you, and you'll see your account profile. As you can see, I have several requests here that are open or ongoing. You'll see yours there in that place. And I have the ability to click and create a new request. I can choose to create an article, a book, or some other type of material depending on what you want to obtain. In this case, I have an article that I found on another reference list that I would like to borrow. I've already verified that we don't have it in the library, so I'm going to come back to this form and I am going to fill in the journal title, the volume, the issue, the page numbers, and other information about it. Once I've filled in my journal and article information, I'm going to enter if I have any time deadlines, verify my contact information, and click Submit to submit that request. Once you've submitted a request, you'll see it in your request queue, and you'll be able to check the status. And when items arrive, you'll be able to obtain copies of them here, or request renewals depending on the items that you have, if you've borrowed physical materials, or if you need to borrow something again. One of the most common ways that students access our interlibrary loan form, however, is through our database search results. For example, if I'm going to search the EBSCO Discovery search for a topic, when I view my results lists, some items will be available full text or through Full Text Finder, and others will say request through interlibrary loan, which means that those items are not available in our library collection. And clicking that link to request through interlibrary loan goes directly to your TPASA interlibrary loan profile. It opens the request form, and most of the time it fills in all of the information for the journal and the article and author and date information that you need. You just need to verify that those details are correct, confirm your contact email address, and submit your request. Once you've done that, you'll see a confirmation that that item is now in your interlibrary loan request queue. You can go back to your results list and continue on with your research. When your requested item is available, you'll receive an email letting you know with a link that you can click to access the portal and retrieve your item.
If you have any questions, contact the library at library@harrisburgu.edu.